64वे राष्ट्रीय फिल्म पुरस्कार जाहीर झाले। गोयच्या के सेरा फिल्मांक कोंकणी कॅटेगरीत बेस्ट फिल्माचो पुरस्कार मेळ्ळा। नॉन फीचर कॅटेगरीत गोयचो युवा फिल्म मेकर आदित्य जांभळेच्या आबा ऐकताय ना ह्या मराठी शॉर्ट फिल्मा खातीर बेस्ट डायरेक्टरांचो अवॉर्ड फावो जाला।
The best part is that there was a beautiful team. See, when we started the shooting, the plus was the producer Rajesh Pendekar, who incidentally is a very good friend of mine. He also is a fine actor, so he was also doing a major role. Then we got Palomi Ghosh, who again is one of the most talented artists, and she has done wonderful films in Goa. Then of course we got a prime team like John, then Prince Jacob, and then from the other side we had Salil, who is a very talented artist, Leena, there are many artists, and Snehal, Zog. So we basically actually worked with a very great team of artists. The second most important part was the technical aspect of the film, where we had Hari Nair as a cameraman, who is a national award winner. Then we had Neeraj Voralia as an editor, who edited Shwas, which went to Oscar. So he was our editor. Then we also got Bishwadeep Chatterjee for sound design, who did Piku, Munnabai MBBS, Bajirao Mastani. He's also a national award winner. So basically what worked for us was, it was a brilliant team, and basically we worked as one beautiful unit. I think the success lies in the teamwork. That it is the teamwork that has given us this award, and to keep it up, the teamwork is the king when it comes to filmmaking.
गोयचो यंग फिल्ममेकर आदित्य जांभळेक ताच्या आबा ऐकताय ना ह्या मराठी शॉर्ट फिल्माक शॉर्ट फिल्म कॅटेगरीत बेस्ट डायरेक्टर म्हूण अवॉर्ड मेळ्ळा। ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट।
आज शुक्रारा 7 एप्रिलाक वर्ल्ड हेल्थ डे ह्या दिसा निमतान IMN अंदू डिप्रेशना आड मोहीम सुरू केल्या। डिप्रेशन कोणाकूय जाव येता, हें दुयेंस दुयेंतीक आत्महत्ये मेरेन व्हरूंक शकता। ताका लागून डिप्रेशनात आशिल्ल्यांक तांच्या लागींच्या मनशाचो चड मानसीक आधार लागता म्हूण दोतोर सांगतात। IMN डिप्रेशना आड जागृताय केली।
So this year theme is dealing with depression. So slogan goes like this: depression, let's talk. So as you all, some of you might be aware that depression is a disease or an illness which affects all walks of life and all age groups. And in it, the patient shows sadness, and he lacks interest in all the routine things which he usually enjoys doing. And in acute cases or in later stages, he may even contemplate suicide. So it is of utmost necessity that he talks about it to someone, so that at that point of time when he is feeling depressed and the thought of suicide comes to his mind, he is wavered away from that, because he needs someone to talk to.
Because all of us are potential patients. Anybody can develop depression at any point of time. Even the doctors, any professional, any age group, any class of people can develop depression. So all of us need to know about it. The antidepressant medication is designed to correct the imbalance of chemical messages between the nerve cells, or we call it neurons, in the brain, and it helps the person to feel better by stabilizing their mood. It is very much appropriate to approach the doctor and decide which treatment is appropriate for any patient. Like a psychological treatment only is necessary, or psychological and pharmacological treatment is necessary. So this decision has to be taken by the doctor or any mental health professionals.
कुडका सांतान चर्ची कडेन एका कॉलेजीच्या मिनी बसीक ॲक्सिडेंट जालो. आर्किटेक्चर कॉलेजीची 20 भुरगीं आनी बसीचो ड्रायव्हराक माल लागला. 4-5 जाणांक मातसो चडूच माल लागला. इंजर्ड जाल्ल्या सगळ्यांक बांबोळे जीएमसीत घाले. बसीचो ब्रेक फेल जाल्ल्यान खंय बस देंवणेर रस्त्याकडेन सकयल गेली. वेळ बरो म्हणून भुरगीं इतल्यान साल्वार.
स्पॉटार पावतरी तेमी ती आमकां कळ्ळें की आर्किटेक्चर कॉलेजीची स्टुडंट म्हणून आनी तेंची ती बस. तर इमिजिएटली कोण इंजर्ड असले तांकां आमी इमिजिएटली शिफ्ट केले जीएमसी आनी लोकल लोक आसले लोकल लोकांची हेल्प घेवन आमी तांकां शिफ्ट केले. टोटल ही 22 आमी जाणांक आमी जीएमसीक शिफ्ट केले.
He was coming down the slope. Suddenly he met with an accident. He went out of control.
आणि तुम्ही कितली स्टुडंट झाले गाडयेन?
Approximate 38 of us.
तशी कितें आनी कोणाक इंजरी बी जाला?
Many people got head injuries, according to me. Like people who were on the back seat, they've got head injuries.
घेऊया एक ब्रेक.